Good morning, guys! We just finished filming the Bean Boozled challenge with a twist. So, yeah, I got a lot of whipped cream on my face. I look nasty. I need to take a shower. Ooh, look at this, babe. Look at the money.
Maybe we should wash the pillowcase.
And on that, yeah, I'll wash it. Yeah, take off your clothes. I'll wash it. We will go somewhere today, and then we will stop by Savers. And then, yeah, look at my nose. Hello. We will go to, I don't know, where is it, babe?
We're going bakery.
Okay.
And then look at old records, and then Savers.
Okay. Oh, hello. We'll go to Savers. I'm not really that much excited now.
But we're down that way.
Yeah, I'm not really into shopping now. Yes. Really? You agree, right?
Yeah, be more selective.
Yeah. I went to the city with the girls on Wednesday, and I did not buy a thing. Did I? Yeah, I just had lunch and coffee, and that's basically it. I was maybe if we go to Harbor Town always like gets me. It's just too good to not get something from Harbor Town. Harbor Town is my favorite place to go. They're really inexpensive. They're really cheap. Sorry, babe?
Thank God it's on the other side of the city.
Thank God it's far. So we will go to the bakery, get some food. We haven't had food yet. We had jelly beans, that's it. I'm trying on a new BB cream today. It's from the brand Signature. I'm gonna show you guys later. It's just a sample size. My sissy gave it to me I don't know how long ago. But yeah, I think it's way too light. Like, it's just different. And on my lips, I have the Matte in Detail liquid lipstick in the shade Nema, I think. I forgot. I did a review on this shade. I want to get chicken nuggets.
Or do you want to get chicken nuggets and I just get, well, don't just get chicken nuggets full stop. We'll just get chicken nuggets full stop.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, eat it all first. We have the steak and mushroom pie. It's good. I like it. I like it way better than the beef. The one I tried is beef, right? Same? Is it beef and mushroom? No.
No, this has got better beef in it. This is most pies aren't as good as this one.
Oh, okay. I really like that one. Can I have more?
You got it.
Yours. So meron siyang mushroom. It's way better than the other one. I like the pastry. Same with this one. I like the pastry.
I like the chunky meats in it. It's good.
Yeah, Mars.
That's a good bakery, that one.
McDonald's. We got chicken nuggets. Tapos na yung ano nila.
Hello, thanks. Thank you.
Limited edition deal. Yung how much was the 20 nuggets, babe, before? 10 bucks?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, you have fries. Nag-withdraw lang ng cash si Dan. Nasabi ko pa sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng, ewan ko, hindi naman siya friend. Hindi naman siya friend. Ano, may nakita kami online na nagbebenta ng records, yung vinyl records. Remember, nung pumunta kami ng Target, binilhan ko siya nung record player para sa birthday niya. And for the past, I don't know how many days, yung iniisip niya lang is makabili ng records. Kahapon, dumating siya sa bahay, meron siyang dalang palang 6 na records ata, or 5. Sabi ko, tapos ngayon, bibili na naman siya ng records. He's going crazy. And I was like, what if hindi mag-work yung player? Kasi hindi pa namin tinest. Kasi nga, diba, para sa birthday niya yun. And his birthday is gonna be almost a month from now, you guys. Yeah. Kasi, August 20 yung birthday niya. Ooh, darky. Wow. Hello! Wow, bakit ang yellow? Over nun sa ka-yellow ito. I will remove my contacts, wash my face. Dumating kami siguro mga 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. And then, inayos ko lang yung video ko, yung thumbnail para tonight. And it's uploading 16 minutes na lang ko lang. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina when we were looking for records kasi after nung kanina, nung nag-vlog ako sa sasakyan, na full yung memory card ko. Nakalimutan ko kasi i-transfer yung na-film namin. Oh, nag-iba na yung lighting. Kasi di ba nag-film kami ng Bean Boozled? Nakalimutan ko siyang i-transfer sa computer yung file. So, maraming laman yung memory card ko. So, konti na lang yung natira para sa vlog. Pero, okay lang. Nakabili siya ng mga, wow, almost 10 records or maybe more. Dami niyang yung binili today. My goodness. I'm just gonna wash my face. I'm gonna put on a mask. Oh, by the way, the BB cream that I used today is the Signature Complexion Coordinating BB Cream. Looks like this. Kanina, when I was applying it, na-notice ko na merong mga dry patches around here. Pero nawala na din naman siya because I used my steamer. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo sa previous vlog ko, I have been using it. I really like that one. It's like, ganun lang mo. Tapos, yun, may steam na. Anyway, I will wash my face! And then, gagawa ako ng guacamole later kasi magko-corn chips kami. And magdi-dimsum din kami tonight. So, dito lang sa bahay. Magsi-steam ako ng dimsum. So, yes. I will be using this mask tonight. Actually, hindi pa as in tonight. Ah, siguro, yeah. Malapit na siguro mag-6. Babe, what time is it? What time is it? 6?
I like those.
Yeah, oh, I'm wearing this, I'm wearing the pajama set that I got from Target long time ago, actually. I just wore it because I featured it in a haul yesterday, and yeah, I kind of forgot about it, actually. This is, do you remember how much this was? $8. Yeah, look at this, you guys. Yeah, I will put this on my face, just listening to some songs. I like that. What's the title of that?
This is Gary.
Oh yeah, that sounds really familiar. Okay.
No.
You look great, babe. You look great. He will do a records haul. This is the records he got today. I'm excited. Oh, this.
You have to talk.
Go ahead, talk.
This is $1 from Savers. It's all the Christmas carols. This is an Australian band, AC/DC. Actually, this was
40. Dang, that's the most expensive one.
Discount though. I've got to show you. This is selling online for like $80.
Really?
I'll show you. Is that better?
Yeah. Next one, Mr. Bear.
Billy
Joel.
Piano Man.
Yeah, the one that you were listening earlier. $15.
What's this one? Eagles.
Oh, Eagles. Yeah, I chose this one actually.
Hotel California.
Oh yeah. Oh no, you chose this. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we both chose that one.
But yeah, I liked Hotel California.
Australian band, Cold Chisel.
Okay.
This has got
$15. What song do you like there?
oh.
I'm not familiar. Oh, really?
This one's got some good ones. K-Sand's the best one.
What, babe?
K-Sand.
Okay.
It's yeah, it's a good one.
Next one.
Beatles.
Oh yeah, I chose that. I
Beatles.
love Beatles. How much was it? $10.
That was a good one.
That one
Bruce
is.
Springsteen. This is Born in the USA.
Oh yeah.
Born in the USA. This is yours. You chose this one?
The Carpenters. Yeah, I chose that one.
Yeah.
$10.
Oh, American Pie. Don
Wow. Yeah.
Bye.
You got a lot, babe.
Yes, American Pie.
I told him you got 10. You got way more than 10.
This is yesterday's as well.
Oh yeah.
This is Sweet Home Alabama.
We got this today.
That's my least favourite album actually, babe.
That's your least?
Yeah, I reckon that was probably the only bad deal I've done, that one.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's not too bad. I can sort that one out.
Yeah.
That is Bohemian Rhapsody.
Oh yeah, I love that
That was a
song.
good one.
Yeah.
Oh, see, look, these are my old school ones. Beach Boys.
Yep.
Ooh. Beach Boys Greatest Hits.
You got that yesterday?
Elvis.
Yep. Yesterday as well?
Elvis.
Ooh.
Frank Sinatra.
Uh-huh.
And your Air Supplies.
And then these he got for me because I told him I like Air Supply. My dad loves Air Supply. And I pretty much know all of their songs. Maybe not all, but most of it.
Right.
That's his haul.
That's my haul.
Your very first haul, babe.
First
Congratulations.
and last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's really excited. He said he's really happy with the records that he got. And you have more. Or do you have it there?
17.
You have 17 now.
Yeah, 18.
Oh, yeah, 18. You're happy. You look really happy. Anyway, I will go ahead and put on my mask. It's the avocado. Ooh, guacamole. Guacamole. You guys, he's a really good singer.
The best.
Really
The
good.
best.
Dinner. Nag-steam lang ako ng siomai. I have my soy sauce. Tapos nandito din yung pork buns. Yummers. Kain tayo. Is that okay, my love? I'm gonna vlog.
Yeah, go for it.
Yes. Good morning. I woke up happy. Did you wake up happy? You woke up annoying me. I'm having coffee, Nescafe, and a slice of lemon cake. And he's having his coffee as well. You already had biscuits, babe?
Yeah, fine, my wife is.
He's already using the record player. It's not even his birthday yet. But we have on Hotel California right there. Dark as a highway. Hala, it jumped, babe. Hello, manonood kami ng footy today. Tapos before ng footy, meron pang ewan ko saan kami pupunta. Sabi niya, punta daw kami ng Target. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya kasi meron siya in-check doon. So, marami kaming pupuntahan before the footy. Maglalagay lang ako ng blush tapos highlight. And that's basically it. Hindi ako magli-lipstick kasi look at this. Super lamig. Super nagda-dry yung lips ko. Tapos nag-crack siya kagabi. So, I'm just gonna bring lip balm. Hindi ako magli-lipstick today. Hindi ko rin i-curl or i-straighten yung buhok ko kasi magbibini ako today. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Tapos umuulan pa. Magdadala kami ng poncho. Ito yung lip balm na gamit ko. And dadalhin ko din siya. Kasi nga walang lipstick. And ito yung bini ko today. Not this one. Pakainin natin si Jobby before tayo umalis. Jobby! Bakit kapag binivideo kita humihina ka? Anong drama mo? Na-notice ko na kapag nag-video ako, sobrang, ang weak niya tingnan. Hindi naman siya ganyan. Bilis niya naman lumangoy. Ano na? Oops! Dami na. Konti lang kailangan mo kasi ang liit-liit ng tiyan mo. Maliit kang bata, Jobby. Oops! Meron kang 4 ha. Kain ka na, buddy. Move! Okay, where are we gonna go first?
Target.
Target, and then Pete's.
No, Target, and then get myself a poncho.
Oh yeah, he needs a poncho. I have a poncho from his mom.
My mom.
Thank you, Sharon.
My Australian mother.
Your Australian mother. Really nice woman.
Not bad.
Not bad. Kanina, kumustas? Atene Chevrolet. I'm vlogging.
Okay.
Dito kami sa Target. Dito sa record player section. That's what I got him. And then parang sabi niya parang tsaka daw. So he's looking for more. See, look at this. So cute like this. This one. Cute, diba? Mahal nga lang. Ano ba yan? Just a radio. This one is what you were talking about? It's cheaper. It's chocolate.
That one?
That one?
That's what I was thinking. That sort of style anyway. It might not be that one exactly. You might be able to buy it, like a better quality one from somewhere else.
Yeah.
For like an extra, double the...
Meron akong nakitang top. It's really pretty. It's red as well, and I don't usually wear red. But when I saw that, I was like, ooh, pretty. But it's still full price. I don't think they will have that on sale at all. Oh, look at this, babe. This will fit me. A romper. Oh, they're starting to put out like spring stuff now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will fit me. I got a Chico roll. Yummers. It's a different place this time, but the same packaging. Yum. My eye is so red. I didn't do anything. I just wore my contacts. I have on my face this Rosa Hybrida whitening mask sheet. Yeah, it looks like this. It has a very like chemically scent to it. Oh, I'm gonna make guacamole. Guacamole. I'm watching MasterChef as well. Finals week. Malapit na matapos yung MasterChef. After no MasterChef, ano na, The Bachelor. Sila Kat, pupunta sila sa Arbor Town bukas. Hindi ako makakasama kasi meron akong ganap bukas. Pero, that's okay. Oh, someone asked me if I wash my face after I take off my mask. I don't. So, I just let the moisture or whatever it's in the mask sink in sa mukha ko so I don't wash it off. Anyway, I will make guacamole and we will eat chips, corn chips with guacamole and salsa, and that's basically it for our night. We lost, by the way, our team lost. Again, pero that's okay. My video should be uploaded in 10 minutes maybe. Basta para nakaschedule yun 8:30 or 9 our time. I'm not sure. But yeah, it should be up. It is the Bean Boozled challenge that we did yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna make guacamole, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye.